This is Classic Car Expo channel. In this video, I will introduce you to American classic cars priced between $30,000 and $90,000 in 2024. Especially if you are in the market for a new car, you can consider a classic one. With vehicle shipping available across Canada and the USA, finding your dream car is easier and more affordable than you might think. Modern cars tend to look very similar, while there are minor differences in design and features like taillights. Why you can option for a classic car? Because they are timelessly stylish. A well-maintained classic car always turns head. Last year's model can compare. If you want to make a statement and stand out, a classic car will be the perfect one. 2. They hold their value. Unlike new cars that depreciate as soon as they leave the lot, classic cars can retain their value much longer. Often, a well-kept classic will even appreciate over time. 3. They are cheaper to insure. Generally, older cars have lower insurance costs. Check with your provider for details, but you will likely find that your premiums are less than you are used to. 4. It's environmentally friendly. Driving a well-maintained older car is not inherently bad for the environment. 5. They are easier to repair. If you enjoy tinkering with cars or doing your own repairs, a classic car is ideal one. So if you want a unique, valuable and enjoyable car, you can consider invest in a classic car.